Hi, my name is Lacey, and I'm in a lifestyle medicine and integrative health class at PLNU in San Diego. One of our homework assignments is to create a recipe and then document it by video of us making it. So what my recipe is butternut squash soup. I am excited about having this because I've loaded it with antioxidant ingredients and anti-inflammatory ingredients as well. So let's get started with the ingredients. We've got butternut squash, and it's going to be 4 pounds on the baking sheet. We're going to roast 4 pounds first. We have 1 whole onion. This is 3 tablespoons of oil, and I chose palm fruit oil. We have 4 cloves of minced garlic. We have 1 inch of ginger grated in there, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, some turmeric, avocado, and mint leaves. This smells really good. All right. So I'm gonna put some of this, get started. That's a lot. And sorry for my poor camera work. I live alone and I don't have anyone here to help me. So just bear with me with the camera. So I just poured a bunch of this here, and I'm not going to use all this because this was like 7 pounds of butternut squash, but I'm going to add a little bit more, and then we're going to put the oil, drizzle it on top. And if you want, you can use some more oil. And then we have the oven set at 400 degrees, and we're going to put this in the oven, and that'll be for about 30 minutes to roast. While the butternut squash is roasting in the oven, we're gonna be cooking the onion, and then after 10 minutes of cooking the onion, we'll throw in the minced garlic and the ginger for just a couple minutes, and then we'll set it aside. So here's our onion, and make sure you stir it frequently so it doesn't burn. And let's just take a look real quick at our butternut squash. It's looking good. All right, now that our butternut squash is cooked and tender, we're gonna mix all our ingredients together in a bowl. So this is here, we've got our cooked onion and garlic and ginger. We've got water, 2 cups of water, our salt and cinnamon. And with all of this, we're gonna blend it together in batches. Oh, a little bit of turmeric. And I'm gonna use a magic bullet. It's finally the moment we've been waiting for. Our soup, it's like a puree. It's butternut, squash, and we've got some avocado and mint leaves on top. But now it's time to eat. Well, that was fun. Making a meal for school is probably one of the best homework assignments I've ever had. Anyways, after eating my soup, I think I've decided the next time I make it, I'll probably add more ginger. I think I like the flavor of ginger, so I'd like to add that flavor. And just some benefits, nutritional benefits from the ingredients. So this meal, the soup, was fully plant-based. Eating consistently plant-based meals, one can lose weight and also lower the risk or reduce the symptoms of chronic diseases. So our butternut squash contains vitamins A, C, and E. Vitamins A, C, and E all contain antioxidant properties, which means that they attack the free radicals within your cells that are causing tissue damage or disease. And then all of the spices in my soup, spices were ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon. All of them are powerful anti-inflammatory spices. So good for autoimmune conditions that are highly inflammatory, so it helps battle inflammation. And then just one last thing I'd like to add is after cooking, one really great habit to develop is to wash your dishes and tools and clean your kitchen, which I did already. So that way tomorrow when you come back to your kitchen or later on today, it's fresh and clean. So that is all. Thank you for watching.